Hey guys, thank you all for tuning in with me today at Shamon's Kitchen. I thank you guys for your time. I always thank you guys for watching. So today, from my kitchen to yours, I'm going to bring y'all a special treat. Today, I'm going to be making banana pudding waffles. Good, flavorful, and very fruity. Today, I'm going to be using complete buttermilk pancake waffle mix. Use whatever kind of waffle mix or pancake mix that you usually use. I'm going to be using also sweetened condensed milk. I'm going to use the whole can, okay? I also have my whipped cream topping. I have a little milk. I have Pam. I'm going to spray in my waffle maker. Now, you can use waffle maker or you can make pancakes, whichever one you prefer. I also have some bananas, some fresh cut up bananas, and I have cream cheese filling that I put in the microwave and let it get a little soft for about 30 seconds. I'm going to show you that too, what I purchased. I'm going to bring that to the camera and show you guys what I use. Vanilla wafers, crumbled up, show you what I'm going to do with that. Okay, and then I also have some vanilla. So those are the ingredients that we'll be using today. I already have my waffle pan going. I took the whole can of condensed milk. You're going to take your pan or your pot. You're going to put it on medium high until it starts bubbling like this.
Until it starts giving a little bubble like this, okay? There we go. I'm just going to add a little bit of milk. Don't want to make it too runnery. Just a little bit of milk there, guys, okay? And you're going to continue to stir. This is going to be my syrup. My syrup for my waffles. And I'm going to add some vanilla. Get the vanilla going. Give it a little bit more sweet. Oh my God, that smells delicious. Alright, so I'm going to put that on real low. Low as it can go. Let it. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is make sure my waffle iron is hot. I have my Pam. I'm going to spray my waffle maker with Pam.
I have my pancake mix, and you just go to your directions on the side or the back of the box. Mine was just add water. That's what I did, add water. I like the waffles kind of thick, okay? So with that being said, I went ahead and add the water till it got thick. And I'm going to also add some bananas to the mixing, y'all. Add some bananas to the mixing, how much you like, whatever you and your family prefer. And then also on top of that, I'm gonna put in some of these crushed up cookies. Put in some of that, do a little mix in here. Look at that. It's gonna be scrumptious. Yes, it is. Make sure all your cookies and everything is crunched up. I'm going to take my topping and cut it off completely because it don't take long for your waffles, okay? So I'm going to take those waffle mix that you made up and place it in your waffle maker. I'm going to put it down. Then I'm going to flip it. So one thing I forgot to put in the scripture to show you was I used whipped cream cheese spread from Walmart. Whipped cream cheese spread. And that's going to be part of our pudding part. And I'm going to show you what we're going to do with that. Okay? This is going to bring a little bit more twang flavor to it. So while your pancakes are getting ready, if you're the type of person that needs to pay more close attention while they're cooking, you can wait to make your filling, but my waffle maker is already cooking the waffles itself, so I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the filling for the pancakes, okay? So again, I used the whipped cream cheese spread. I put it in the microwave for about 30 seconds here, okay? Now with this, I'm going to add some of the condensed milk over it, give it that sweet taste to your liking. Yes, yes. And we're gonna go ahead and mix. Make sure it's mixed good. You can use your blender if you like. You can use the cream cheese like in a block. Melt that and add the ingredients I'm giving you. But this is so much easier, y'all, to spread. That's getting done. All right, so when they get done, we're gonna start building and I'm gonna show you. So you make as many waffles as needed, as you like. I went ahead and I made a few waffles here, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to build it. All right, let's get to going here with these good old waffles. Okay, so first what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and, that whipping I showed you, we're gonna go ahead and get some of that applied to your waffle or your pancakes, whichever one you prefer. With that cream cheese, baby, when I tell you, this gonna be some good stuff. Add as many bananas as you want, as many bananas as you need, and then that syrup, that homemade filling syrup that I made on the stove. Put as much as you like. You can use this as your syrup instead of using regular syrup. That's why I made it. Oh my goodness, y'all, it's smelling good in here. And you keep building. With that cream cheese, oh my goodness. Cream cheese filling. And now with this right here, I'm gonna go ahead and sprinkle a little bit of crushed up cookies on it. Look at that. Build according to your liking. All right, now we're gonna take this last one. Okay, take that one. Oh, y'all, hold on. It's okay. I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of syrup on this one too, y'all. All of them. Need that good old syrup, homemade syrup. I'm gonna take that, put that on top. All right, I'm gonna set this to the side, and we want to add that filling. It's worth the calories, y'all. It's worth the calories. You don't even need a side of bacon or sausage. This is all you need, and if so, to each his own. If that's what you want to get, some sausage on the side, some eggs, get to going. But this is a meal in one. Okay? You want to go ahead and get the bananas added. Yes. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit more syrup on there. A little bit of sprinkle of cookies to your liking, however you like it. Look at there, y'all. Alright, then we're going to get that whipped cream added and push it to the side so y'all can see what's going on here. Baby, when I tell you it's about to go down, sprinkle a little bit more at the top. All right, y'all. Y'all gotta come in on it. Look at it. Look at that. A little bit more cookies, y'all. A bit more syrup. Look at that syrup, y'all. However y'all like it. Yummy. Yummy, yummy. Okay. I'm excited. I hope you are too. Yes, yes, this will make you excited. Oh God, here we go. So I'm trying to get one more good look at that. I don't know where to start at. When I make this, they wake up and they think it's a holiday. I'm gonna cut into it. You got the bananas, cookies, whipped cream, homemade syrup. Look at that, y'all. Here we go. Cream cheese, the sweetener, the cookies with just a little bit of crunch, with the softness of the waffles. You got the bananas inside of the pancake mix. Thank y'all for coming in with me today, helping me and watching me make my special banana pudding waffles. It's off the chain, y'all. Y'all be blessed. Thank you for your time as usual. Don't forget to subscribe to Shamon's Kitchen, this channel. I'm also on Facebook at Shamon Snyder. Check me out on there. Also on Instagram at Shamon Snyder. Y'all be blessed, you and your family. Let's go be blessed and make this dish. Have a good one.